Erickson was famous for his use of metaphor to help his clients gain new insight, especially when they were feeling like they were being pushed or manipulated. Watts, too, relies on metaphor to communicate his teachings, especially when discussing the nature of the self and the universe. One of Watts's most famous metaphor was the idea that the earth peoples just as the apple tree apples. This conveys an interconnectedness, but also subtly suggests that human beings are not separate from nature, that they're an expression of it. By framing the relationship between humans and the earth this way, Watts bypasses the listener's critical mind, leading them to a deeper understanding of their connection to the world without needing to explain it logically. In hypnosis, metaphors like this are often used to create shifts in perception. A person might be struggling with feelings of isolation, and the hypnotist might use a metaphor about trees in a forest, explaining that each tree is distinct but part of a larger whole. This allows a person to come to their own realization that they're truly not alone without the hypnotist having to say it directly. Watts uses metaphors in the same way. He doesn't tell the audience that they're connected to the universe. He simply paints a picture of the earth peopling, of giraffes giraffing, and they come to this realization on their own.